Jollof rice with chicken and fresh salad.
First of all, let's fry our onions and hot pepper with tomato paste in soy oil. Next is spices time, so add curry, thyme, and stir. Next add diced carrots and green beans. Seasoning to taste. Now it's time for the rice. Stir to mix properly. Doesn't this look delicious? Mamma mia! My last video, then do so now to see how I prepared this crispy, yummy chicken. Bon appetit!